happened, guys. So you know what is that?
It's a boxing. That is the box.
Open.
Wow!
Show.
This. It's Thomas.
You like it? Open
I
and show.
like it.
Okay, open and show here.
It's Thomas also. And that's why I got Thomas also.
So.
Yes.
Are you open?
Oh.
Open.
Can you
And
find
then
cut?
not cut. No need to cut. You find that. Yes, like that. Good boy.
I'm so powerful. Why so?
Yeah. Why I'm so powerful?
Maybe I just do. Oh, I start to go there.
Open
Why?
big. You need to open big.
Oh, that's a bit. Why open? Why open? Why get out there?
Hard open.
Open there. Open hot. I go. Why? Stop running. Why are you running? Why are you running?
Abang, help, abang.
Abang, help.
Help, no one to help.
Oh.
Okay, no, this okay. Can you show?
Is that, who's that? A pants? Is that a clothes?
Wow. One more.
That's for
You can wear it.
I can wear it.
After that you wear.
Oh,
You open first.
I will open first.
Dia ngantuk ni baik bang. Ni.
How to always so hard?
Okay, like that. Hard, yes. Hard, yes. Yeah, like that. Yeah, one more time.
Just to, like this.
Yes, one more time. Hard. Yes, good.
Is that no? Can you show like that? There. Oh, I fell down. Oh, I locked the door. Open the door. It's not there. It's
Dah ada
open.
lubang ni, dia tak nampak tu.
Is that a pen?
Okay, not pants.
All is closed.
What is for?
For you.
Is that like a same? It's not so good.
Same. Okay, then another.
Next update. Okay, let me eat that for no. Let me wear it. Is that the print?
Open.
Or
Friend want to see you got too much Thomas string. Yeah, you know how to open it. Let's cut.
Good.
Yes.
I
Yes.
took power.
Yeah, you so
Like
power.
this.
Yes.
Oh, what's
Yes.
that?
Yes.
Alright. Is that like this? Alright. What? Is that a cloth?
Saya.
Is that for that? That's for.
And this.
I want to open so hard, and I want to open like this.
Yeah. Yes, like that. Yes.
And can you do?
One more time last.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Alright. Oh, is that like try like this?
Yes. Good.
Right? Is that
Okay,
for?
finish.
Not yet. Not yet, sir.
Yeah. Okay, can you show to friend? Yeah. Can you show to friend your clothes?
It's my clothes.
Yeah. What name your clothes?
It's Thomas' clothes.
Thomas clothes. You want to wear it?
Yeah.
Okay. Open your shirt now.
Oh.
You know how to open? I want to see. Wow. Wow. Good.
I can.
Yeah. Okay, good.
Oh,
boy.
can you feel? I'm stuck. I cannot do
Abang,
it.
help abang.
Can,
He cannot do.
because I'm not.
Kami naman.
Okay. Now, wear new clothes.
Alright. What? I fell down the clothes. There.
No? Yes. Okay, good boy, mommy. And then, wait. Wait lah. Okay. And one more hand.
Is open. I cross. Oh wait. Is that open? Or I open? Why open?
Yeah, that.
There is that.
Okay, yes.
Why cannot get out the door? Why get out?
Don't have door?
Yes.
Have.
So
Okay, wake up.
wait. Alright.
Want to see your clothes. Wow. You like it or no?
I like it.
Really?
I wear clothes.
Then, change another one. Change. You have 4, right? Change. Friend want to see. Okay, open. Open first. Open like before. And then, yes, like that. Yeah, you can do like that.
Alright. This.
Okay, this now. Yes, this. Okay, where?
Is that like there? Oh, so small.
No, this from here.
Over here. I wonder, is there?
Hmm.
Hmm?
Here in front. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Wear your hand. And then
And there.
one more here.
Oh, right. This get here.
Okay. Stand. Okay. Stand. Nice. Wow. What's you like or no?
I like it.
Really? You like it?
Yeah.
Who buy for you?
You, mommy.
See?
Thank you.
Oh, you want to say thank you. You like it?
I like it.
Can I give this to your friend?
But Ken.
Can? Wow, you're so kind.
No one wear this one. I
Okay,
don't
you
wear
want to
that.
wear it? Okay, come. Wear one more time.
No one wear that on because no one wear. No. I'll give to friend that one. I give the friend that one, and no one will wear that to get that.
Same together. Same together.
And
You have friend?
I have friend out there and the house sleeping. It's why I'll give that to friend.
You want to give that?
And no one for
friend?
me, and that
Yeah.
for me, and that one's for friend,
Yeah, this
and that
for
one
friend.
for friend,
This for friend.
and and that one for the other friend.
Other friend. Oh, other friend. You're so good. I want to give to your friend.
Yes.
Okay, wear what you want. Wear what you like.
I'll
You
wear
wear.
only this.
Okay, you wear only that.
Only I
okay.
like
wear
that.
now. Oh, you only like that. Okay,
I
it's
like-
okay. Can give nanny daughter Hanan. Can give to Hanan.
It's so for kids. because-
Okay, later you give nanny.
Oh, I
No.
Is that like no one like
Nanny.
only this? I can walk.
Yeah, nanny daughter also.
No one like this one only because
Okay, wear nice.
I'll do that.
Wow, Noah good. Noah big already.
Oh, that hand. Oh, open.
Okay, what's not the hand? Baby, don't disturb Abba.
There's the hand.
Okay,
Oh,
one,
here's
yes.
the-
Yes, good boy.
Ayun.
Here. Okay.
Right.
Good boy. No need to help.
Where's that go? I don't see it. Ah!
Yeah. You like it?
I like it.
Okay, which one you want to give nanny daughter? Which one you want to give?
I like to give nanny doctor.
Where?
I want to put in the box.
Hanan. You want to put in the box? Want to give?
Into liver.
The one you deliver. Okay,
To
which
get
one?
together.
Which one you want to give nanny daughter?
To give to friend. To give to friend. And you also give to friend. And you give to also to
Good.
nanny
Good.
friend.
Give this to Hanan. Tell nanny, give this to your daughter. One only.
Is that one?
Okay, one only. Okay, one. Give to nanny. Go, mommy. Nanny, I give to your daughter.
Too far.
Go, nanny.
It's Kuku nanny and his Kuku. And I have to buy
There,
you.
nanny had that. What you want to say to nanny? You give to who?
No.
Give to your daughter.
I got my daughter.
Give to Hanan.
It's like Thomas. Thank you. You give to Hanan.
Yeah.
And this is Thomas
Oh,
clothes.
same.
Is that Thomas
It's
clothes?
a couple shirt.
I can you see I pass.
Who gave you? Very nice.
No, you give me.
Oh, really? Thank you, Noah.
Then you have to leave it for Maria. Leave it in a box. And then leave it in a box
Need
to.
to deliver? Deliver
I
to
can
Hanan lah. Maria cannot wear because small.
It's for kids only.
For kid, for nanny daughter.
Friend? Yeah, I'll give to
You give to Hanan.
Before. It's Thomas clothes. I can dance.
Awak nak pergi sekolah tak?
Sekolah tata.
You want go school or no?
I want to. Wah, I don't know.
Tapi awak tak cakap Melayu pun.
Cakap Melayu.
Kena cakap Melayu.
Cakap Melayu.
Awak kena.
Bahasa.
Awak faham ke?
Bahasa.
Awak faham tak?
Bahasa.
Faham? Faham tu apa?
Bahasa. Oh, Mama.
Faham. Do you understand?
Yeah, because I can.
Do you understand mommy talk?
You can talk. I can talk.
But I want to send you to big school. Big school is Malay. You don't know how to speak Malay. How?
I can. I
in
speak.
bahasa.
I speak Bahasa.
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 I'm worried later you cry because you don't know how to speak Melayu.
What bahasa?
Oh, what? Dia tanya aunty dia. Mami kata apa?
Yeah.
You need to speak in Bahasa Melayu because you are Malay.
Here only have Melayu, don't have English class.
Don't have kids. I don't have kids. Kids sleeping.
No.
Mom, stop
Then
running.
how you want to go school if like that?
I want to go to school. I not cry.
But the school is Melayu.
School's my.
No have English. How?
Don't have English. Baby, he go to sleep. What?
No. Mommy said it was the school
Ada language.
don't have kid talks in English, only bahasa.
On your bahasa.
Yes.
Ada language. Ada language.
I have English.
Yeah.
I want to achu.
You want to?
You want to acu, mommy? I want to acu.
So how? How you want to that?
Because I got achu. Because I got achu.
No, mommy ask you how you want to.
I'm
go to
worried you cry at school. You won't cry, no?
I not cry school.
And then how you want to speak with your friend? If your friend tanya, awak nama siapa?
Nama sebut apa?
Awak nama apa?
Nama apa?
What is your name?
Mom, abang take your phone.
What is your name?
No, Jackery.
And apa nama awak?
Apa nama?
Nama apa?
Apa nama apa?
Nama is name.
What's his name?
Apa
Tell
nama?
mommy. So tell mommy what's your name.
Nama. Apa nama?
Apa nama?
Mampu dah.
What's your name? You need to tell mommy.
Aku
What's
rasa
your
cikgu teriak kan Hansuk.
I can go to school later.
I can go to school, mommy.
Jing.
I'm sorry.
So, you want go school or no?
I'm sorry, mommy.
I can go. to school.
I can go to school.
You can go to school but you cannot talk. How?
I can talk.
You can talk. Okay. Now bagi tahu mami nama. Nama apa? Awak nama apa? Nama saya
Nama saya
Noah.
Noah.
Saya
Saya
umur
umur
6
6
tahun.
tahun.
Saya
Saya
budak
budak
baru
baru
belajar.
belajar.
Jangan
Jangan
marah
marah.
saya.
Saya
Tolonglah
tolong ya.
ajar saya.
Saya
Ajar saya.
asal saya
Ajar
ajar
saya.
saya
Saya tak
tak
tahu
tahu
Melayu.
Melayu,
Tapi
tapi
saya akan
akan
cuba
cuba
sehabis
sehabis
baik. Saya nak
nak
masuk
masuk
pra sekolah
sekolah
big school.
big school.
Saya nak
Duduk bagi saya.
masuk sekolah. Cikgu, tolonglah
Tolong ya.
ajar
Ajar
Noah.
Noah.
Please lah cikgu.
Cikgu.
Please
Please.
cikgu. Cikgu is what?
Cikgu. Teacher.
Mampu dah. It's okay lah. You learn a little, okay?
Alright.
Don't cry only. Understand?
I understand.
Okay, good. Bye.
I not cry, mommy.
Yeah.
Not cry.
No.
Only I not cry in school. Only I not cry.
Okay, if anything, just let mommy know, okay?
Okay, what's
If you
this?
cannot go, just let mommy know, okay?
I can because it's dark today.
I'm not tell now. I tell later.
Later.
Okay, bye-bye, auntie.
Bye bye, auntie.
I will
We will
learn
learn
Malay
Malay
soon.
soon.
Mwah.
Mwah.